Are you tired of hearing that the handpiece is loose, the tip is loose? Let me show you what you need to do. Typically what happens, you'll see in the training videos from the different companies, they just do that and pull this off. That's not what you want to do. You want to put your tip on here, use these little flanges and tighten it, and then snap it back off and then tighten it again. And what you're doing is you're smashing the metal of the tip into the connector for the handpiece. Once you've done that, this is on here very firmly. Take your fingers and put it on either side, pushing up, and then a little rocking motion, and you can pull your wrench off. Once your wrench is off, you take your tip cap sleeve, you drop that onto the unit. Make sure that when you slide this on that you get the tip to come out the center hole. So I'm doing that. As I look, I see it coming out. I can adjust it. There we go. If not, I can pull it up a little bit. Now I'm out the center. And then make sure that the hole is on either side of the tip. Then you place your test chamber on. And a little trick here, when you go to fill it, they'll show you filling the cannula like this. A little tip is that when you go to fill the test chamber, they show it like this, but you can actually slide this on and squeeze this and create a little hole, and that little hole will let air out, so when you go to fill it, it makes it very easy and very clean. If you need more tips on your tips, contact us, subscribe below, and we'll be happy to work with you. Thank you. My name is John Weymouth.